Good morning, students. Students, as you know, we are doing integration, and yesterday we have studied about some special integration in which I have derived three formulas. Integration of 1 upon a square minus x square is 1 by 2a log a plus x upon a minus x plus c. Second was integration of 1 upon x square minus a square is 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a plus c. And lastly we have done integration of 1 upon x square plus a square is equals to 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. So after giving the proof of this identity, we will apply in solution of various problems. See one question. Integrate dx dx बटा x to the power 4 minus x square plus 1. First of all, apply substitution. So put in very first step, put x square is equals to u. On differentiating, it should be 2x dx is equals to du. After differentiating, we will get this one, and hence x dx should be written as 1 by 2 du. Now the question can be reduced into, see the numerator, it is x dx means 1 by 2 du, and the denominator is now u square minus u plus 1. Simplify this one. This should be further written as du upon u square minus 2u. Write it as minus 2u plus 1 plus u, because minus 2u plus u means minus u, which is same here. The first, second and third term should be written as u minus 1 whole square, but still you have one u left. You have to change this one in new pattern, in different way. This way becomes wrong. Your new way should be written as 1 by 2 integrate du upon u square minus 2 into 1 by 2 u. Here rationalize it by 2, it should be 1, so 1 should be written as 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So students, you have to simplify or to convert it properly, otherwise this should become wrong like this one. Now first, second and third term becomes whole square form, and this is again square form. So you must be careful that it should be a constant, not like variable. Then it is easy to reduce it into formula. Now this should be further written as du upon u minus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 upon 2 whole square. if you apply u minus 1 by 2 as another variable t, then du is equal to dt. So it is better to apply here 1 by x square plus a square. This is your third formula which we derived in yesterday. So write in the form 1 by 2 is already here into 1 by a is root 3 by 2, so 1 by a should be 2 by root 3. Tan inverse x by a, here x is u minus 1 by 2 and a is root 3 by 2. Simplify this one. After taking LCM of numerator, 2 and 2 should be cancelled. So here 2 and 2 also cancels. So we have 1 by root 3 tan inverse 2u minus 1 upon root 3. 2u minus 1 upon root 3, and finally put u square which is u which is x square. So finally integration will be 1 by root 3 tan inverse 2u means 2x square minus 1 by root 3. This is your solution. So in this way we solve the different problems. Now see another question. Write the next question. Your next question is integrate dx upon 3x square plus 13x minus 10. 3x square plus 13x minus 10. This is your next question. First of all, simplify the denominator. First make coefficient of x square is 1. So here it is 3. So in very first step, take 3 as a common from the denominator. Thus your denominator should be written as 3 should taken as common x square plus 13 by 3x minus 10 by 3. After taking 3 as common, then denominator will be like this. Now simplify it further. See how. First of all, 1 by 3 take out of integral because it is constant. Dx x square, rationalize the middle term by 2. So we should write as 2 into 13 by 6 into x, and see according to formula x square plus 2xy plus y square means next term should be square of 13 by 6 to make it whole square. So we write it 169 by 36. 169 is a square of 13 and 36 is a square of 6, and subtract it minus 169 by 36. One term is already here, minus 10 by 3. Now first, second and third term. First, second and third term becomes integral of dx first, second and third term should be written as x plus 13 by 6 whole square, x square plus 2xy plus y square, and in the last two terms simplify, take out LCM, which should be 36, 169 minus 120 after taking LCM. So 169, sorry, it becomes positive because minus becomes common. So it should be 1 by 3 integral of dx by x plus 13 by 6 whole square minus 289 by 36. Again, 289 is square of 17. Hence, it should be written as 1 by 3 to integral of dx upon x plus 13 by 6 whole square minus 17 by 6 whole square. See children, this is according to identity of 1 upon x square minus a square, or to better understand, apply substitution means put x plus 13 by 6 is equals to u, such that on differentiation we will get dx is equals to du. So integration now should be written as 1 by 3 into integral of du by u square minus 17 by 6 whole square. This is according to the formula of du by dx by x square minus a square. We have derived its identity yesterday. It is, see, 1 by 3 is already here. It is 1 by 2a, means 1 by 2 into, here a is 17 by 6. 1 by 2a log, here u minus a means u minus 17 by 6 divided by u plus 17 by 6. This is according to formula. Simplify first. 2 and 6 should cancel. 3 shifted to numerator. So 1 by 3 into 3 by 17 log, take out LCM of denominator as well as numerator. The LCM of numerator will be 6, and also the LCM of denominator is also 6. So both LCM should be cancelled. So after taking LCM, it should be written as 6u minus 17 upon 6u plus 17. Now write down the value of u. We have considered u as x plus 13 by 6. So cancel first 3 and 3. It should be written as 1 by 17 log 6u. U means x plus 13 by 6 minus 17 divided by 6 into x plus 13 by 6 plus 17. So again take out LCM. 6 will be LCM, cancel by this 6 one. Hence after taking LCM of brackets, this 6 and this 6 should be cancelled, but here becomes 6x. So we write 1 by 17 log of 6x plus 13, 6x plus 13 minus 17 is also here, again 6x plus 13 plus 17. This is your final integration. Simplify now. That is 1 by 17 log of 6x minus 4 upon 6x plus 30. Take out 2 as common in numerator and 2 as common in denominator. So we should write here 1 by 17 log, this 2 and 2 should be cancelled here, 3x minus 2 upon 3x plus 15 plus integral constant c. See children, these are very long questions, so you must have to integrate it very carefully, otherwise it makes some mistake. See the next question. Your next question is integrate dx by 4 sin square x plus 5 cos square x. 4 sin square x plus 5 cos square x. In first step, divide, I am going to write here, divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. Divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. Then numerator divided by cos square x means it becomes sec square x. Dx is already here. And sin square x by cos square x is tan square x. So it should be 4 tan square x plus 5 cos square x by cos square x means it is 5. Now apply substitution. So apply substitution and put tan x is equals to u and differentiate with respect to x. So after differentiating, it should be sec square x dx should equals to du. Apply substitution here. So integration should be written as du by 4u square plus 5. Again, you have to make coefficient of u square as 1, so take 1 by 4 as common. So hence we write here integral of du upon u square plus 5 by 4 after taking 4 as common in denominator. So it should be written as 1 by 4 du upon u square plus root 5 by 2 whole square. Hence it reduces into form of identity. So apply the identity. These all are derived yesterday. Today I also recapitulate it. So 1 by 4 is already here. Apply the formula. 1 by a means 1 by root 5 by 2, which goes to numerator. Tan inverse u by a means u upon root 5 by 2. Simplify and put the value of u. This 2 and 4 should cancel here. So we write it as 1 upon 2 root 5 tan inverse u. U is tan x. So we write as 2 by root 5 tan x plus integral constant c. This is your result. So children, we will see further the different form of problems. Now next class, in my next class, today we'll derive some more problems. Those are very important problems. All integrals are long questions, so we must prove it very carefully. Till then, okay, goodbye.